So recently I got this mini split air conditioner over here behind me, and it's great. I find I can work in a comfortable 77 degrees in the shop. Any cooler than that and it's too cold to work. But part of the issue is it's so dark in certain corners where I don't have enough light. Let me show you what I have. So I've got 1, 2, 3 fluorescent lights and a string of LEDs running here. It's okay, I have enough light right here, right above where my Murphy bed table saw comes down. I have enough light here, but it could be brighter. But over here on this side, it's dark. And so now I'm going to put some bright lights in here. So Sansi, a Chinese lighting company, contacted me and asked me if I would use their lights and give them an honest review. So here it is. This is the 16 watt 2000 lumens. That's fabulous. I've always tried to get lights in the house that are be 1,000 or as close to 1,000 lumens I have, but those are just barely bright enough. It's somewhere between a 75 and 100 watt bulb. But I'm going to put 3 of these in and I'm going to show you the difference it makes. So currently I have my power switch here, which I use for a master switch for everything on here. So currently that runs up and the current fluorescent and LED lights are lit from there, and that just goes into the ceiling. Right there in that blue box is where I'm going to put my first LED light, and I'll have the Romex had the 1412 running over here to a second light. This one will be right above my table saw, and this will be a third one down here. And so that should be able to light all of my wood pile over here and my clamps. I should have plenty of light. So if all the lights on, I have enough lights to work in the workbench without any shadows. That's great. That's what you really need. Over here at my table saw, I have this Sansi light right above here, so that creates a good work area. No shadows here. That's important, particularly around the table saw. And over here where I do my assembly, I have another table over here where I have all my flat surfaces, so I can work right here with a light right above it. Plenty of light. This is great. Thank you, Sansi. The lights are wonderful. So if you have a lighting issue in your workshop, hey, consider the Sansi 2000 lumens 16 watt bulbs. Hey, now that I have my Sansi LED lights on, I can work in every spot in my garage. Hey, this is fabulous. So if you liked our video on the new LED lights, give us a thumbs up. You want to see more of our home repair videos, be sure to subscribe down below. And as usual, come back and see us real soon.